Hello and welcome to TechFriend Pro. My name is Rupa, and I have over 9 years experience providing technical support for Windows laptops, desktops, and printers. Every day, I've helped people solve common computer problems, like slow performance in Windows updates or Wi-Fi setup and printer troubleshooting, and many other everyday technical issues. I created this channel to make technology simple for everyone, especially beginners and anyone who wants clear, easy-to-follow instructions. In today's video, we're going to fix one of the most common problems people experience: a slow computer. Now, let's fix your slow computer together. Today, I'll show you how to improve slow performance, sluggish response, and not responding issues on Windows 10 and 11 laptops. First, shut down your Windows 11 laptop completely. Remove all external devices from their ports. Now, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. First, reconnect all external devices. Plug in the power, keyboard, and mouse. Connect the HDMI and audio cables. The laptop has restarted successfully.
Let's open the Run dialog. Look at the keyboard. Now find the R key. Press them together. The Run window opens. First, open the Run dialog. Click in the box and type %temp%. Now click OK. The temporary files folder is now open. To begin, open your Windows Temp folder. Now, press Ctrl and A together. This selects all your temporary files.
To improve system performance, permanently delete temporary files. Confirm the deletion. This helps improve system performance. To open the Run dialog, press Windows and R keys. Now, type temp and click OK.
Press Windows key and R. Type temp and hit enter. Now hold down Ctrl and A. This selects all the files. Finally, press Shift and delete. Permanently removes files. Press Windows and R keys. The Run dialog opens. Type Prefetch one letter at a time. Click OK and then continue. The Prefetch folder opens.
Open the Prefetch folder. Select all the files. Press Shift and delete. Click Yes to delete.
Let's learn how to open Disk Cleanup. Click the Start button, then click Search. Now, slowly type Disk Cleanup. Click the app to open it. Open Disk Cleanup on your laptop. Select the files you want to remove. Click OK to proceed. Now click Delete Files. And that is it.
Open the Chrome menu. First, open the Chrome menu and select Settings. Now, find and tap on Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data at the top. Change the time range to All Time. And finally, tap Clear Data.
Click Settings to open up your browser options. Now choose Privacy and Security. Select All Time, check all the boxes, and click Delete Data. Click the three-dot menu. Go to Help and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates. Click Relaunch to finish. Click the Start button. Select Power and then Restart. Once the desktop loads, right-click on the empty space, and then choose Personalize. The background settings are now open.
Congratulations! You've completed all the troubleshooting steps. I hope this tutorial helped improve your computer's performance and made your Windows experience smoother. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.